guys, welcome. Yes, I'm back. Thank you everyone that DM me, send me messages. Thank you. So yeah, I'm back today, but today it's gonna be a day where I'm gonna try a little bit more risky due to the 90% off on Apex. So yeah, today is not gonna be a normal day for me. I'm gonna go pretty much all in. Not all in, but I'm gonna be a little more risky, bigger size. I'm gonna try with bigger size. Yeah, so I was gone for a little bit over 1 week, and I'm gonna talk about a little bit about it later today. Why I was gone for a week. I honestly didn't want to come here. If I'm 100% honest, I didn't want to trade with doing the stream, but yeah, I'll talk a little bit more about it later today. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. I'll be watching Spy mostly. Spy made a new all-time high and we're way above that, so yeah, watching Spy. Kinda expecting a little pullback here, but we'll see. I'm gonna go short. Why is this thing reacting way? Let's see. Why is this not working? Wait. I don't know what happened with this group that I just made. It's not working. Let's see. We're gonna work now. Okay. Yes, of course, I bought more evils. Who wouldn't? We have a 90% off on Apex. The 90% off is when we need to like reload. I always buy a bunch and then try to pass them. And then the trick is if you have more than 20 PAs and you don't need more, what I do is I buy a bunch of new evils, right? I pass them, and then you need to sign them up on 48 hours after, but you don't need to pay for the PA. You just need to sign them up, and then when you feel ready, like using those evils, go and change it to PAs. At least that's what I do. I guess it was a good thing that my group wasn't working because I was gonna go short. I like Nvidia holding 922. That's my level for Nvidia. If Nvidia can hold 922, 924, I like it for upside. I don't know where you heard that, but that's dumb. Why wouldn't they? It's pretty normal trading practice. Guys, like, don't believe everything that it said. Like if it's not on the rules, you can't do it. Let's see, if I see this is a pre-market high. If I see some type of ugly candle rejecting here, I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go for a pullback. So far, SPY is very strong. So far. But I kinda wanna see this big gap getting filled. But if it breaks this pre-market high and we see a break and retest there, we should be looking to play the upside. Well, at least I'm gonna look to play the upside here. Okay, Apple is pulling back. Google needs to break a little bit under 174. I will say Tuesday high, last Tuesday high, not yesterday. Apple holding 475, rejecting 476. That's a key level, 476. Okay, I like that reaction there. What the heck? Let's see now. Okay. My stop loss is gonna be this high here. $420 on Microsoft, that's a key level there. I like that reaction. Yeah, I would love to see a pullback to 424.50 and then this gap fill. Okay, that was beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna start locking some profits here. I'm gonna leave these three runners as long as SPY is projecting this high. If the SPY cannot break this high, I'm gonna hold these runners. Nvidia is like very tempting here. It's holding very good pre-market high. I would like to see a little bit more consolidation holding the VWAP. I think for me, it's too early to play the upside here on Nvidia, even though I really like this hold. Microsoft is rejecting 420. Apple is very weak. Google is pretty strong. I will not play EME. I honestly don't care. I don't watch EME or AMC. I wouldn't. If you want to trade those two, I will go with shares. That's a lose-lose situation. Like, you need to understand that if you guys play in either EME or AMC, it's just a YOLO. Like, most likely you're gonna lose that money. So if you wanna play those, just play with some like amount that you wouldn't care if you lose. Ooh, Nvidia lost the VWAP, pulling back hard. Nvidia needs to hold yesterday high. Apple is a mess. And Microsoft is holding 420 as support. Apple crazy strong. If we break this high and use it as support, I'm getting out of this short and I'm playing the upside. Okay. Nvidia, Apple very strong here. Meta still kind of weak. I think the one that I like the most is Nvidia. Microsoft beautiful 420 reaction. I like that reaction there on SPY. I don't know, we have kind of the market's going weird. Like, we have a few that are looking very strong. Microsoft right now is looking pretty weak. Nvidia is holding pretty good. We'll see. I think we need to give it a little bit more time here. Like I said, I'm playing a little bit more risky today, but if it wasn't like a regular day, I will be giving it a little bit more time. Okay, I'm gonna lock some profits here. That's an ugly reaction on Microsoft. So far we basically have this support here on SPY, rejection here high, this high, and then we have a big gap, which I would love to see playing out. SPY is holding here. It's holding pretty good. I'm gonna go long on Nvidia. I like that. I like that how it's holding there. My stop loss is gonna be the morning low. I got a 935 for this week. So weird. Apple is very strong. Microsoft looking pretty weak. Meta is very weak. Nvidia is holding, and Google is fighting the VWAP, but that was a very clean 174 reaction on Google. SPY still holding. It's not looking good, but it's holding. I think NQ is looking a little bit weaker than SPY. I'm sorry, QQQ. It's under the VWAP. It's gonna have this gap here. I wanna see SPY losing the VWAP. That will give me a bigger pullback, and most likely going for the cap here, or at least till 524.50. We'll see. I might add a little bit more if SPY loses the VWAP and D support. Maybe I'll wait for a break and retest to the downside. Nvidia looks like it's gonna stop me out, but my stop loss is today's low, which is pretty much yesterday high. If Nvidia cannot hold yesterday high, I'm getting out. It's the same thing. NQ, QQQ, it's the same thing for me, at least for me. If you compare both charts, they move pretty much at the same time. Oh, thank you. The bag is doing pretty good. Honestly, okay, let's talk a little bit about why I wasn't here. Honestly, I didn't do the stream for like a week and a half because I'm not feeling like I'm not enjoying this. Like I'm not enjoying doing the stream. One, because I've been getting a lot of mean comments. Like the whole idea for me to do the stream is only to use this as my journal, nothing more. Not because I want to be a YouTuber or something like that. Not because I'm making money out of YouTube, because I'm making like $100 monthly from YouTube, like pretty much nothing. So yeah, so it was that, and then I didn't like how the market was moving, and then I put more pressure on myself doing the challenge. I don't know, I guess I was feeling like I needed to show how I trade and show like that I'm a good trader. But so I wake up last Monday last week, and I post my levels on my Discord, and then I was like, ooh, I don't feel like doing the stream today. I don't feel like trading with the stream today. And I was like, I'll do it tomorrow. And then I wake up on Tuesday, and same thing happened, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday. The only day that I really felt like I wanted to trade on the stream, like do the stream, was on Friday. And I was like, oh, today's Friday. Like Friday, most of the time, if I trade like 1 hour or 30 minutes, sometimes even less. And then I leave and enjoy my weekend early. So yeah, like I think I wasn't enjoying doing this. That's why I didn't do the streams. I kept trading, but not with the stream. But yeah, I took like a week and a half off, and I was like, fuck everyone, I don't care. I don't need to show anyone anything. So I'm just gonna come here and trade. Like, again, the idea of like I started this YouTube channel just to use this video for me and learn from my mistakes, and this is my like trading journal pretty much. So I'm just gonna do that. I don't have a goal. I don't think you should have a goal daily. Like, forget about how much money you're gonna make, because if you're asking me this, means you're new to trading. It means you're not making enough money. It means you're trading just because of the money. And if you trade like that, trust me, you're gonna lose a lot more money than you think. So forget about how much money you want to make daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Just go and look at the chart and go for good setups. That's it. Nothing more. Just go for good setups. Forget everything else. So go look at the charts. Have your levels, make a plan, and just go for that plan, and that's it. yeah, like we all know trading is very stressful, right? So trading with people watching you is even more stressful, and then trading with haters a little bit more, and then I was trading with people watching me with haters, and then I dealing with this lower back injury, and I'm not able to work out, which is pretty much how I like to like get rid of my trading stress. And I was doing the challenge, which is even more stressful than just trading with people watching me. That's an ugly 30-minute and daily candle on SPY. Now, if SPY bounce here, we want to see it rejecting the VWAP. So yeah, I'm going back to the basics. The basics on this stream is just me trading, like doing my thing, and me watching after and reviewing my trades. Nvidia is still holding pretty good, even though it's looking weak. I'm watching for 17 on Microsoft. Apple is still pretty strong. Google, ugly reaction there. I think the cleanest trade today was the one that we took here with SPY or ES for me, with futures. Playing the reaction of pre-market high. Yeah, I know, it's like, it's not me, it's them, but still, it gets very difficult when you're doing something, and like, I will say 50% of my comments are creepy mans that you guys don't even see because I delete them, and then the other, I will say 49% are haters. Is it me or the market is kind of like jumpy? Like I see like the candles are moving fast and then stopping and then fast again. It's kind of weird. If Microsoft can really hold here, that's Monday high. Microsoft kind of filled the gap, and if it can hold Monday high, I think it's gonna go back and retest 420. Most likely it's gonna break it, but we'll see. If I see a clear rejection here on SPY, I might add 1 or 2 more contracts. Yeah, I like this label here for ads. Go a little bit higher. Man, Apple is so strong. It's insane. And it's weird. Like this 5-minute candle is very, very strong. But if we see the past 4 or 5 that were so wiki and small, I was not expecting Apple to do that. I want to see the reactions here, which is kind of tricky because we have Nvidia holding pretty good and Apple like crazy up. If we reject here, I'm adding more. Okay. Let's see. And if we break the VWAP, I'm getting out. Yeah, I want to see this candlestick rejecting the VWAP. Not doing that. Okay, I like that reaction. Come on, go lower. Nvidia is getting ready to boom boom. Okay, I got out. What's going on? Do we have any news? Oh, data. Let me figure out what's going on this group because I think I have 21 accounts here. I think it's 12. CPI. I thought CPI was pre-market at 8:30. I have 3 new PAs that are not available to trade right now. I don't know why it's taking forever. what a choppy mess is. So I guess we have, this is the support that we need to look at today. Yes. This one here. And that's gonna be our range. The break to either side, that's gonna be our direction. Or SPY's direction today. Oh, we have a 1 Fed speaking at 10. Well, it's already 10:05. Okay. Like, even though I wasn't doing the stream, I was still trading. I wasn't trading like for hours. I was trading only like for 1 hour or 30 minutes. But I was still looking at the market, and it's still moving weird. Like, even like it looks like it has a clean, well, it has a clean upside trend. It is still intraday. It's been moving weird. We have movement like this one here. No follow through and weird, like slow grinds with fake outs. Yes, I'm walking. Why the volume was down so much? That's weird. Ooh, I went to Isla Morada last week. So beautiful. It's here in Florida. It's like up north. Look at this. It's not like that. It's not like that. But it's beautiful. You can see it's kind of like this. But yeah, very, very cool place to go if you want to relax for a few days. Like for the weekend, it's a good trip for like, it's a good like weekend trip because it's small town. All you do there is go to the beach and drink. Pretty relaxing. No, I went there last week. I live in Miami. It's beautiful, it is. Okay, let's see if SPY's gonna break this high here. If it breaks this high, we wait for a break and retest. And we get a new all-time high. Come on, Nvidia, move. Nvidia's doing nothing. But I do like when a stock is consolidating at support. Yeah, I don't fly there. I drive. We drove there. It's like 1 hour and a half from here. You can just fly to Miami, fly here, or fly to Orlando and then rent a car and then drive there. We have another high reaction. I also like this Microsoft Hold. It needs to break the VWAP. So yeah, now it's just waiting to see if SPY really is gonna break this high, or it's gonna keep rejecting there. I'm hungry. I'll be back. I need my coffee. I'll be back. I am back. And anything. Oh, Nvidia. Nvidia going, baby. Nvidia now, the queue is moving because of Nvidia. This little level here is all-time high on the queue. Are we gonna get today a break of all-time high on the queue? I like this reaction here on SPY. I just don't want to go against Nvidia. But I think I'll prefer to wait until I see something like this, maybe here again, or I'll just wait until it goes back down here and holds, and we play a bounce. Because right now there's nothing bearish so far technically on SPY and the Q. Like if we see the daily, we still have higher highs and higher lows. Nvidia is moving higher, Apple is moving higher, Microsoft trying, Google holding pretty good, so nothing is looking too bearish. Thank you. Let's see what the meme stocks are doing. AMC. Gave back everything pretty much. EME. Same thing. Both look exactly the same. I hope if any of you guys traded these jokes locked profits yesterday. Amazon, let's see. Oh yeah. 184, the level I'm watching there, but I don't like trading Amazon. I think Amazon it's choppy. I don't like how Amazon move. That's why you guys don't see me trading it much. Tesla. Ooh, Tesla. That was a beautiful, perfect 180 reaction. 180 was a level that I was looking to play Tesla if to the upside. Like if I was waiting for Tesla to hold 180 to play the upside. I am on YouTube every day. I just talk about how I didn't feel like doing the stream last week. I get you're a little bit late for the stream today. Okay, watching all-time high on the Q and today's high on SPY. So far, I love what Nvidia is doing. I think 940 and around 940ish is the next resistance on Nvidia, but the main one is from the 970s till 960s. Like let's put Nvidia here. So this is what I'm looking at on Nvidia. I like this hold of yesterday high. I was pretty clean bounce there. And then my main watch was this little level here, this May 8th high. I wanted to see Nvidia holding there. And the next resistance that I see is around 940. A little bit under is 939. And then, but the main one is this one here. I think that's all-time high, right? Yeah, that's all-time high on Nvidia. So I guess a retest of all-time high. Kinda what I'm looking for. Well, first of all, 939. Let's break 939, 940. I will say 940. I like more that number, 940. Cleaner than 939. So I will say 940, and then all-time high. Well, 940, and then it has a little bit of resistance here around 962. Sorry, 52, 950, and then all-time high. Oopsie, sorry. I keep reacting there. That's a clear reaction. But again, I don't know if I want to go against what Nvidia is doing right now. Gonna wait a little bit more. I think I'm pretty much done for today, but I'm gonna wait a little bit more and see if the SPY is really gonna break this high or not. Most likely I'm here just to watch what Nvidia is doing. So far I like how it's trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. I want to see it holding this previous resistance here. This one here. Want to see it holding there and keep going higher. And my main PT is gonna be 939, 940. I'm gonna take most of my profits there. But I will say, as long as Nvidia keep it above today's low, it's pretty bullish. Kind of feel like I should have taken the contract for next week, so I can hold it a little bit longer. We'll see. I haven't been trading options much lately. Like, I think these and past week I took, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 options trade. Every day I kind of like it more and more just doing futures. It's just too easy. On hourly, I don't use hourly. But if you see it, just watch it. Anyway, yeah, I see that 935.50 resistance there. Yeah, 935, 935, 936. Yeah, I see it. Come on, Spy, do something. Ooh, the Q going for that all-time high. Is it gonna break it today? I think it will. If Nvidia keeps going, I think the Q is gonna break it. And that's another trade that we can do, a break and retest to this all-time high level. Break, retest, going. Oopsie. Please. So we have two possible trades here. Nvidia looking beautiful. Beautiful. That was so clean. I will say that's a A+ setup. You have on that trade that I took on Nvidia, we have clean uptrend. We have a pullback to previous day high and held that. And then consolidation above previous resistance, and in the morning it was acting as support. That's an A+ setup. Yeah, Nvidia is looking beautiful. 939, 940 is where I'll be looking to take a little bit of profits. Kind of tempting this. I'm too late. I was looking to play a little rejection here because I don't think the Q is gonna break all-time high on the first touch, but that was late. I was looking for something like that, maybe till here, retest of this previous resistance, but kind of late. If I see this 30-minute candle closing with a long wick at the top, showing previous all-time high, like all-time high rejections, I look to play the reaction there. But so far it's looking strong. And we have Microsoft again at 420. Anyone got that upside on Microsoft? That 417 and 418 hold? That was pretty clean. Look at Nvidia. So beautiful. Microsoft again rejecting at the same level it rejected this morning. That's another play that we could do. If Microsoft holds like pretty much another break and retest out of Microsoft morning high. Okay, I'm getting ready to lock some profits on Nvidia. It's about to hit 940. It's at 939. That's my level. 939, 940. I'm selling. It's almost 50% up. I'm selling a little bit there, and I'm putting some orders to sell at 50% up. That was perfection. Okay, now we see if the SPY is really gonna hold here, and that's my next trade. I like the puzzle play for Google to the upside if can hold 174. If Google can really hold 174, I think it's gonna go and retest all-time high. Same thing with the Q. If you can hold this high, I'm gonna play the upside. Either or, just pick one, SPY or the Q. I'm waiting for pullbacks here on SPY and the Q. So how do we know if it's really is a breakout even though it looks like a breakout? How we know that? Because we want to see it pulling back and retesting that resistance, and we want to see that resistance now acting as support. I don't know. I honestly don't know how many weeks time. There's no, I don't think there's an answer for that. Nobody can tell you how many times. I don't know, I think that it comes with experience. Sometimes I'll wait. It depends how the candle looks. It can give you a retest, but if it looks ugly, bearish, that retest is not important to me. If they give you a retest with a very clear, like a hammer, like showing you that it really want to hold there, you just need one candlestick. It depends. So also it depends what's happening around. Like Nvidia is clearly rejecting that 939, 940 level that we talk about, and also Microsoft is rejecting again 920, like today's high. Yeah, it's pulling back, but it's showing you so far that that level is support. Not really. And that happened yesterday. Yesterday you had, let me see if I can find yesterday. Oh no, it was on the queue. Wait. I think it was the Q9 444. Yeah. Yeah, here. Look at this. 444. So 944, 444 in the queue. Yesterday was the level to watch, and we wanted to see I hold above 944. What happened? Gave you a small pullback, and then you're like, oh, I'll give you a pullback, and then I give you like it died pretty much. So if you don't see a clear hold of that resistance, now you want to see it acting as support, and you want to see it clearly holding. I'm kind of watching what Microsoft and Nvidia are gonna do at resistance, because both are fighting resistance right now. So if we have a bigger pullback on Microsoft and Nvidia, we might see this pullback that I'm waiting on SPY. But if Microsoft and Nvidia break, just boom boom and break those resistance, we're not gonna have the pullback that I'm looking for. I don't trade options on SPY and the Q. I trade futures. And if I don't get it, just miss this trade and I'm done for the day. Yeah, same password. Same account. Why will you need a new password on one account? Can you imagine? Imagine me having, I have like 30 different accounts. I'm sorry, 30 different evals and PAs and all that. And me having like 30 different passwords and usernames. One for each. That's insane. I'm back. Technically, I will say, like, if we do like full-time trading, I think it's pretty much being retired, right? You do whatever you want with your time and money. Obviously, if we trade full time, it means we like what we do. So I think that's pretty much like being retired. But yeah, I get what you mean. Thank you. I'm pretty happy with the trades that I took today. Pretty happy. The Nvidia trade was very clean, and also the first trade on the first one on SPY. That was a very clean pre-market high reaction. Waiting for this one, the next one. I don't know if I want to take it, seeing Nvidia and Microsoft rejecting resistance. Yeah, you can have more than 20 accounts. It's almost 11. If I don't see any possible trades at 11, I'm out. I'm happy with the trades that I took today. So I'll wait like 6 more minutes and see if I like what Spandex are doing here. Maybe take a trade here to the upside and lock more profits on Nvidia, and I'm out. I like this hold on the Q. I really like this hold. I don't love it because, like I said, I want to see Nvidia and Microsoft like above resistance, and both are pretty much fighting resistance, like pulling back, rejecting. You know what? I'm done for today, guys. I'm pretty happy with my trades. I don't want to risk it more. 850, 860 on my PAs and some evals. I'm very, very happy with my Nvidia and SPY trade, ES trade. So I think I'm done. I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be here for the rest of the week. Just watch Nvidia 940. If Nvidia can really do a break and retest above 940, it's just gonna keep going higher. Maybe give you another pullback here and then keep going tomorrow. But what size? I have a few PAs that are 100k, and I have a few PAs and evals that are 50k. So yeah, Apex have that 90% off. You guys have the link and my code below. Remember to like the videos. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you for being here.